the 34 strike definitely defined a lot of stuff. It set the tone in this city for a militant working class. We are really just a continuum of people who have struggled for, rights of people. We resisted and we organized and we built a movement to save the International Hotel and to fight back that at its peak, was able to bring literally 10,000 people surrounding the International Hotel. I mean, literally the whole block.
The interesting thing is that when we talk about the mission being under attack, that it is not a new phenomenon.
There are what you might call indigenous leadership, people that have been here and that will be here and that aren't willing to take it.
Por muchos años nos han dicho que paz significa buenos cambios para la región, pero lo que no nos han dicho es cuáles son esos cambios. Los cambios van a hacer que la mayoría de los trabajadores que viven en este distrito, que son latinos, van a ser corridos de aquí.
Como que se ha abierto los ojos y los oídos y ha puesto mucha atención al problema. Como que la comunidad está siendo un inmenso grupo silencioso que de un momento a otro va a decir, you know what, stop, no más.
This is powerful. Los que estamos aquí juntos para mantener y desarrollar este pueblo que llamamos la misión, tal como uno quiere desarrollarlo. We are here to develop this mission in the way that we, the people, want to develop it together, so that we can live with joy.
Struggle, this is not a cause, this is not the struggle, this is not the cause, this is nuestra causa.
And basically it was an educational tour of the neighborhood, so we highlighted different aspects. So we cruised up 24th Street, we went down Mission Street.
Buenas tardes. Here we are in front of the Baby Bank building, which for over 35 years has housed over 20, 30, 40 nonprofits and local serving businesses at any one time. Right now, there's one company trying to take over the entire building.
Because of what people have done in this city, national news, national magazines, national news programs are talking about displacement and gentrification, not only in this city, but across the country.
In San Francisco, the .com backlash. Demonstrators took over an internet company in the city's Mission District yesterday. They said the company, BigStep.com, had displaced more than 20 businesses and nonprofits.
Who's got the power? We got the power! What kind of power? People power! What kind of power?
When you go into what's called vacant space, there's a history to that space.
You know, we're here to hear that. we're here listening.
We're not here really to tell you how we feel so that you can make us feel better and say, that's terrible, and pat us on the head. We have two demands. You can say yes or you can say no.
Tonight is the last night that Dancers Group has the keys. At 12 midnight tonight, Dancers Group is out. So we picked this time, even though it's in the middle of the Democratic Convention, to say we don't want to leave. This is our space. This is a huge community resource. We love this building and we want to stay.
At midnight, the building now becomes legally Pomegranate Designs, and a group of us are willing to risk arrest as a civil disobedience in protest and outrage at the evictions.
Put your weight on the right leg, the front leg, and turn. 7 and 8 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's funny how when I change the situation.
I'm just curious what you think about their rent going from $3,000 a month to $15,000 a month.
I don't have an opinion on that.
That's just the way of capitalism, or how it goes?
Yeah.
What if the artist isn't in San Francisco anymore? Do you think
Well, then they'll go elsewhere where rent is cheaper.
So we don't need art here, really?
No, we have art. We have the symphony. We have museums. People should go to those more often. I like the symphony. I like maritime museums.
Oh, okay.
There is a hatred of artists from, I don't know what, from some puritanical kind of Calvinistic thing that came over from Europe at the founding of this country. I don't really know, but it definitely has never been able to permeate as part of our right to pursue our happiness. It's potentially can transform society, and the very conservative sectors don't want that transformation to happen, and art can cut through to the truth over and over and over again and lead people out of, what oppresses them.